Hello! Let's meet our friends from around the world.
Hello. My name is Ethan. I am 5 years old. I am from the United States. My favorite color is blue. I like playing baseball. I love ice cream. Nice to meet you.
Wow! Hello. My name is Emma. I am 6 years old. I am from Canada. My favorite color is pink. I like skating. I love pancakes. Nice to meet you. Wow!
Hello. My name is Oliver. I am 5 years old. I am from England. My favorite color is green. I like football. I love cookies. Nice to meet you.
Wow! Hello. My name is Sophie. I am 6 years old. I am from Australia. My favorite color is yellow. I like swimming. I love watermelon. Nice to meet you. Wow!
Hello. My name is Leo. I am 5 years old. I am from Brazil. My favorite color is orange. I like playing soccer. I love mangoes. Nice to meet you.
Wow!
Hello. My name is Mia. I am 6 years old. I am from Japan. My favorite color is purple. I like drawing pictures. I love strawberries. Nice to meet you.
Wow!
Hello. My name is Noah. I am 5 years old. I am from South Africa. My favorite color is red. I like riding my bicycle. I love bananas. Nice to meet you.
Wow! Hello. My name is Aisha. I am 6 years old. I am from the UAE. My favorite color is turquoise. I like reading stories. I love chocolate cake. Nice to meet you. Wow!
Thank you for meeting our friends from around the world. Which friend is your favorite?